Hello YouTube. Today here I have a video of my Galaxy Touch oscillating fan. This is exactly the same one that I've already had, and it's in my collection. Another one like this. It's the same thing, except for the back row being slightly different, and there's a plastic button to turn the oscillator on and off. Plus this one was spinning slow when I first got it. It came from someone who no longer needed it, and I cleaned up yesterday and oiled the motor. So it's time to turn it on now. See the difference with this one from the first one I've got almost 10 years ago is there's a ring on the rear grille. I see the switch here. Just these marks I couldn't get off while cleaning, and these ones seem to be paint stains even on the blades. That works fine. And this one I'm gonna keep in my collection because these are rare. So that's for my second Galaxy desk fan of the style in blue. Goodbye.